let's take a look at the Amani Townhouse. Now, this cool-colored townhouse unit is bigger in size. You got your own living area, dining, kitchen, at toilet and bath, 2 bedrooms, plus a provision for a carport with fence and gate, just like what you're seeing. And now, let's go inside. Ganda, sobra. Now, for the Amani Townhouse units, you can choose either yung Amani End or Amani Inner. Pero may provision kayong mag-expand. Kung gusto nyo gawin yun, then get the Amani Plus. Kung gusto nyo naman na palakihin talaga yung unit, pwede nyo i-combine yung Amani End and Amani Inner, and you will get the Amani